Hello guys, this is AB Anusara blog. Actually, I found this competition here, Hackstone. They are asking to create this Angular based application. That's why I shared this Angular based applications on before 3 days. And in that mission, they are asking about these categories and like this. They are said in the previous video also I installed it. I think the competition is going to end soon as possible. Please write down the details, okay? And I will say this thing is the good process here. With the help of this, I'm going to do this IDX things here. And welcome to AB and Sara blog. You can also subscribe and comment about your details below. Bill Ang is the Angular app that I created for this one, but I don't know whether they will accept me for this after 3 days. And I want to share what I created with my knowledge and my strength only. So I'm going to open this thing here. I used IDX project of Google as it's a cloud based IDE and the alternative of VS Code and cloned application of VS Code. If you want to use means you only need your Gmail address to use, and it will take a long time. If they come, I will show. I will share how I am deploying that project which I took it from the Google link of here. This one. I copied this URL in the Google. Is it is Node.js, so I will show how it will work. And in web service, and we need to add this link below. Even it's public means we can add, and we have to do this connection thing here. And it's node and master, using master only it was built. And after that you need to use the free thing. If you want to pay means you can do this is the render method, okay? And you need to only click here. You need to first verify these things here, like the source code link and the name of this source code link. And you can also change it like this. And language is node, and you can also add like this. And I used the master in the git, okay? I didn't use another thing. And if my location is around the Singapore, so I added like this. These are the build command that was mentioned in my project also. But IDX project automatically generates this instructions here. I didn't never do this. After installing Angular CLI, I got this instructions like this. And this is the start button command, and I'm using the free version actually. So actually I want to share this thing that whatever things we do by showing it to the others means that sometimes won't work. I was trying to show this thing, but the problem is the render.com I used unlimited process, okay? That's why that render thing got error. I only have other things only, and I need to renew it. So for this bill splits based project, I generated it, deployed it via that Versal tool, which is a simple tool that is similar to render.com. This Vertel tools never worked for me. Before render.com, I used it, and it never worked for me in Python and in Node.js. But for Angular, it worked for me, and I didn't use any background color, and that's how it got work. And I want to add this thing here. I will that project. I will say they mentioned like this here. Okay, I'm doing this means they had this data here, right? You may see this data here. They had it like this here. In this, they gave the items name like that, and I'm going to add item name. And the unfortunate thing is the CSS, the background design style, is not working in Versal. and without the background it's running properly here, but only this background of this color is working. I don't know why is it, but I will change some settings soon as possible. So okay, the item name is apple milkshake. Whoever like the milkshake, you can like and comment and subscribe. Okay, and next thing is the quality is one and the price is 355. Quality is one is already here, price is 355, and the item category is drinks. Okay, it's non-drinks. I will say milkshake is a drink. I also don't know, but it's like a non-milk. I will say because we use the ice cream along with the water, so it non-drinks. I will say. After that, the total amount here will be 355. Okay, and I can also add another one, but for sample only, I'm showing this one. If I click the submit button, the bill will show like this. And I know it's so dull here, but I tried my best for emergency purpose also. You may ask, they give 3 days time. Why are you doing the without design? The Vercel is not working for the background design in some ways, and I'm also still learning this Angular thing. It's my startup project, okay? So it will take time to adjust this background designs like that, but soon I will update with background design. Thank you for watching.